This tutorial is on how to edit documents on suggesting mode. So on this mode, you will not be able to directly edit documents unless your suggestions have been approved. So most of the time when you log into any documents owned by SMIP, you will automatically be put on suggesting mode. If you are not, click this right here and you will be put on the correct mode. I'm using this document as an example. So for example, right here, if I were to add a sentence that I think should go here, okay, this is not a permanent fixture on this document unless Cheryl or someone from the management department or anyone who is in charge of approving any suggestions goes through and clicks this check mark right here. Only editors can accept these. So your comments or suggestions will only be added if they are approved. I can also delete things, and that also must be approved. If you would like to take back a suggestion so you would not like that to be there anymore, click this reject and it will be gone. So this is very essential as all edits need to be approved before they can go in the final copy. So just to recap, suggesting mode right here. Once you edit something, either delete it or add it. It needs to be approved by editors before it's added to the actual copy.